Did you know your favorite gummy candies are made from animal bones? Discover the shocking secrets behind gummy bears in this wild factory tour. From Haribo's iconic gummies to the tech that makes them chewy, you'll never look at candy the same way. Hit subscribe and let's dig in. Welcome to the sweet world of gummy candy. In 2021, Americans devoured 60,000 tons of gelatin, mostly in gummies, marshmallows, and puddings. But the story starts in the 1920s Germany, where Hans Riegel invented Haribo's gummy bears in a tiny Bonn workshop. By the 80s, gummies took over US shelves, becoming a snack staple. Ready to see how they're made? Inside a gummy factory, it all begins with a sticky mix of sugar, corn syrup, water, flavors, food coloring, and the star, gelatin. This gooey ingredient gives gummies their signature chew. But here's the twist. It's not plant-based. Most gelatin comes from pigskin, cow bones, or fish scraps, leftovers from slaughterhouses. Smart waste reduction or hard to stomach? Comment below. For some, gelatin's animal origins spark debate. Should gummies carry warning labels for health, religious, or ethical reasons? Then there's the food coloring. Vibrant reds, yellows, and blues approved by the FDA, but tightly regulated in Europe. Some studies question their long-term effects. Would you care if gummies were less colorful but just as tasty? Let's keep exploring. The gummy mix is heated to a perfect syrupy consistency, then poured into molds. Surprise! Most factories don't use plastic or metal molds, but cornstarch trays. Machines press shapes like bears, worms, or fruits into the starch, creating precise cavities. It's old school, but super efficient. Hot gummy mix is poured into these starch molds with pinpoint accuracy. Temperature, volume, and speed are critical. Why starch? It handles high heat, absorbs moisture to set gummies fast, and can be reused after sifting, cutting costs while staying hygienic. It's genius. The molds head through a cooling tunnel, kept at 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, to solidify the gummies gradually without cracking. Once set, the candies are firm but dull and sticky. Time for a glow-up. To fix stickiness, gummies get a thin coat of edible wax, like carnauba from Brazilian palm leaves. This FDA-approved wax, just 0.1% of the candy's weight, gives a smooth, non-sticky surface and prevents clumping during packing. For sour or fruity gummies, a sugar or sugar acid coating adds a crunchy zing. Now the gummies are ready for packaging. Machines sort and weigh them, ensuring each bag or jar has the right count. High-speed conveyors funnel candies into colorful packaging, sealed for freshness. Every batch is checked for weight, seal integrity, and quality to meet strict standards. Ever wondered how gummies reach your store? Factories ship millions of bags daily via trucks and cargo ships, hitting global markets from the US to Asia. In 2023, the gummy candy market hit $20 billion, and it's still growing. Gummies are everywhere, and Haribo leads the pack. Thanks for joining this chewy journey through a gummy candy factory. Blown away by the secrets we uncovered? Smash that like button, share with friends, and comment. What's your favorite gummy flavor? Subscribe for more epic factory tours.